this morning. Sharad is here to take us through that list. Sharad, over to you.
Interesting development coming in for auto majors such as M&M, Tata Motors and Hyundai, as they have started announcing their price cuts after the GST rate rationalization. Now, interesting, from 6th September, M&M price rate cuts are effective, and from 22nd September, this is valid for Tata Motors and Hyundai. Up next, Vedanta. Vedanta is likely to have been emerged as the winning bidder for Jaiprakash Estimates, and it's estimated that the winning bid could range at around 12,505 crore odd rupees. Amber Enterprises also in focus, as its arm ILJIN Electronics has reached 1,200 crore rupees from Chris Capital and InCred. Positive news flow coming in for Max Estates as well, as they expand their footprint in Gurugram with a 7.25-acre deal at the Golf Course Extension Road, and the entire opportunity of the gross development value would be around 3,000 crore rupees. Lastly, Adani Power will be also in focus, as company and drug Green Power Corporation, which is Bhutan's state-owned utility, has signed a shareholders agreement for setting up a 570 megawatt hydroelectric plant in Bhutan.
Alright, so those are the stocks that you need to watch out for. But Ashesha is also standing by with a couple of more stocks that you need to keep on your radar before the start of today's trading session. Ashesha, take us through the stocks that you have picked out for us.
Well, yes, a whole host of pharma stocks will be in focus on the back of USFDA action. And first up, let's put the spotlight on Dr. Reddy's, where USFDA has issued Form 483 with 7 observations for its UK plant. Lupin, negative news flow coming in for this pharma company as well, where Aurangabad plant has received 2 observations from inspection by USFDA. So both these counters in focus on the back of USFDA action and several observations that have been issued against those plants. Let's also put the spotlight on a real estate player, then Suntech Realty, where the company said that the board has approved issuance of 1.17 crore warrants. This has been done at an average price of 425 rupees per share to promoters and non-promoters, and the total value of this stands at about 500 crores. So on the back of these fundraising plans, keep an eye out on Suntech Realty as well. Zydus Life Sciences, meanwhile, negative news flow over here as well. USFDA inspection at their Jarod injectable plant has concluded with 4 observations, and Aurobindo Pharma, where USFDA action at Unit 12 ended with 8 procedural observations. So a whole host of pharma companies are in focus on the back of USFDA action today.